Sammy Cockatiel, hello baby bird. And this is Mimi, Sun Conure Parrot. They're the only ones that don't get jealous of each other that much. So we gotta keep the birds separate. Right? Hello baby bird. Say hello baby bird. Step up. Get you. Mimi likes, I don't know why they like massage. Tummy massage. Oops, yes, I hear you, Rocky. Get you, baby bird. Rock, baby. Rocky. Senegal parrot over there, and I'm covered up. It's bird time for Mimi bird. Then it'll be Rocky bird's time. Are you done? Are you done playing and wrestling? Get you. Okay, let me see your wing. Let me see your new wing. The wing feathers are coming. Let me see. Oh, that's nice. Let's see the other one. Let's show the other one. So the other one. Okay. Sit up so we could show your wing. Mimi bird. Oh. Let go of my pinky. Okay. Show your wing. Let me see. Mimi. Come on, show your wing. Come on, step. Show your wing. See your pretty wing. Show your wing. Show your wing. Okay. Let's not show your wing. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. Let's show your wing. Let's show your pretty. Hi, Sammy. Hello, Sammy bird. Okay, show mommy. Show mommy your wing. Let me see. I'm gonna play. Get you. Come here. Let me see. Oh, look at that. Look how pretty. Her flight wings are coming in and throwing them out. Okay, show your wings. No, Mimi. That's Suri. Suri's in her house. Can't be with Suri. Mimi's jealous of Suri. Suri's a new baby in the bird family, and she's jealous because she was the last baby. Huh, you jealous. Jealous. Okay, I think it's Rocky's bird time. Come on, let's go get some food. Go potty. Go potty. Get some food. I love you.